Hello everyone, welcome back to Canada Immigration Global. Proposed high wage factor could boost express entry candidates, June 2026 update. Canada may soon introduce another important change to the express entry system. Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada (IRCC) is currently consulting on a proposed high wage occupation factor, which could award additional comprehensive ranking system or CRS points to certain express entry candidates. It's important to note that this is only a proposal. No final decision has been announced. Let's take a look at the details. What is the proposed high wage factor? As part of its proposed express entry reforms, IRCC is considering rewarding candidates who have strong earning potential in Canada's labor market. If implemented, the proposal could provide additional CRS points to eligible candidates working in higher-paying occupations or those with qualifying high-wage job offers. The objective is to better align express entry with Canada's economic and labor market needs. Which occupations could benefit? According to CIC News analysis of the proposal, occupations with higher wages could benefit if the new factor is introduced. These may include professionals working in sectors such as technology, engineering, healthcare, finance, senior management, other highly paid occupations. The final list of eligible occupations has not been released, and no occupations have been officially confirmed by IRCC. How would it work? The proposal suggests that wages could play a greater role in determining express entry rankings, rather than focusing only on factors such as age, education, language ability, and work experience. The proposed high wage factor would recognize candidates whose occupations offer higher earnings in Canada. However, IRCC has not finalized how many additional CRS points, if any, would be awarded under this proposal. Important, this is still under consultation. At this stage, the high wage occupation factor is not part of the current express entry system. IRCC is consulting with stakeholders, and the proposal may change before any final decision is made. There is currently no implementation date, and applicants should continue planning their immigration strategy based on the existing express entry rules. Why this matters? If adopted, the high wage occupation factor could become one of the biggest changes to express entry in recent years. Candidates working in higher paying occupations could receive additional CRS points, improving their chances of receiving an invitation to apply for permanent residence. The proposal reflects Canada's ongoing effort to select immigrants who can meet labor market demands and contribute to long-term economic growth. Final update: Canada is considering introducing a high wage occupation factor as part of its proposed express entry reforms. While the proposal could benefit candidates working in higher-paying occupations, no changes have been finalized. Applicants should continue following the current express entry rules and watch for future announcements from IRCC. If you found this update useful, like the video, subscribe to Canada Immigration Global, and share this video with friends and family planning to move to Canada. Thanks for watching.